Study MBBS in India. Medical education is the process of training people to become doctors or healthcare professionals. In India, the standard entry to practice degree in modern evidence-based medicine is the Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery (MBBS). The MBBS is earned after completing a 5.5-year undergraduate program. After the MBBS, MD per Mega Siemens postgraduate education typically takes 3 additional years of study. MBBS in India is the primary choice of medical aspirants who wish to study medicine. Being a doctor is one of the most respectful professions. The reasons why MBBS course in India is highly preferred by the national students of India and foreigners is because of education structure, top-rated medical colleges and universities and well-experienced professors. MBBS in India, quick insight. MBBS full form Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. MBBS duration 4.5 years plus 1 year internship. Intake from September. Minimum percent 50% in PCB for general category students, and 40% in PCB for ST, SC, OBC and reserved categories. NEET requirement: passing NEET is must. Medium of MBBS English. Top college or universities: all government institutions and some private colleges. Recognition: recognized by NMC of India. At present, there are total 604 medical colleges in India, and out of this number 209 colleges are the government medical colleges and rest of them are private. If you want to secure MBBS seat in India, you have to appear in NEET examination. Aspiring students have to score at least 50% in class 10 plus 2 education plus they have to qualify NEET UG with good marks. Indian colleges, institutes offer healthy and peaceful study environment to the students that helps them to acquire knowledge and experience quickly. In India, the duration of MBBS course is 5.5 years. The course is divided into 2 parts. The first 4.5 years is assigned for the classroom studies and the last 1 year is for the internship. It's true, earning a MBBS degree is not easy. Students have to spend a lot of time in preparation of competitive examinations, hard work, dedication, challenging days and nights, and willingness to become a successful doctor. The curriculum of MBBS contain practical training and classroom studies, and the curriculum is almost same in private and public colleges. For applying MBBS admission in India, students should have to pass NEET UG exam and would get NOC, no objection certificate, after passing the examination. However, after completing the course, the awarded is MBBS, that is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Why study MBBS in India? India is a great choice to pursue MBBS in India. The top medical colleges of India are approved WHO, NMC. If you have confusion why you should study MBBS from Indian college, so we have mentioned a few points that supports the MBBS India. There are around 600 plus medical institutions including medical colleges and universities in India. India is the home of some of the top-rated and world's finest medical universities. India offers around 76,928 MBBS seats to the MBBS aspirants. The Indian medical colleges are world famous for delivering excellent clinical training, research, training programs, and expertise. There should be no hindrance of language or communication because most of the students are familiar with Hindi language. In India, students have opportunities to attend international seminars and conferences. International standard syllabus. Students will get practice on actual human bodies. Students are eligible to practice medicine in any part of the world after completing MBBS. Fee structure of MBBS in India. MBBS fee in Indian private medical colleges starts from around 4 lakhs per year excluding cost of living and maximum goes up to 15 lakhs annually. However, the minimum fees for MBBS in India in government college is around 20,000 to 7.5 lakhs. There are various options available to choose the best college under your fixed budget. MBBS in India duration. The duration of Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery is 5.5 years. This complete course is separated in 2 parts, classroom studies and internship. 4.5 years are allotted for the theoretical studies consist of various ways of learning and assignments. And rest of the 12 months are allotted for the internship in a recognized hospitals or medical center. Eligibility criteria for MBBS in India. The students who are seeking MBBS admission in India are required to fulfill the eligibility criteria set by the college and institutions. MBBS admission criteria for the majority of colleges are same. First of all, the aspirant should have qualified 10+2 with physics, chemistry, and biology subjects with minimum of 50% marks and 40% marks for reserved categories. Secondly, the students needs to appear in the NEET undergraduate entrance examination. This examination is conducted by all those Indian students who wish to study medicine in India or abroad. Only 15% vacant government MBBS seats are available for doing medical courses in India. Thirdly, the students should not older than 25 years. 25+ years students are not eligible for MBBS course admission. However, minimum age of the applicant should not be less than 17 years as of the 31st of December of the academic year. And lastly, this criterion is also applicable for Indian nationals, foreign nationals, and NRIs. Admission procedure of Indian medical colleges, MBBS admission. The universities and colleges of India are offering wide range of medical and dental courses to the students. The admission procedure of the medical colleges of India for MBBS course is quite simple and straight. The students can take admission in MBBS course only through a national level entrance examination called NEET. Apart from NEET, there are some other exams for MBBS admission like AIIMS, JIPMER, etc. Aspirants needs to pass NEET UG exam for with qualifying marks or above to secure a MBBS seat in the best colleges. The admission of the students depends on the marks obtained by the NEET and 10+2 education. They must have got past 10+2 at least 50% for general category student, and a minimum of 40% marks for SC, ST, OBC or reserved categories. In short, the students seeking MBBS admission in India needs to fulfill the eligibility criteria of the college to get admission. Documents required for admission. The medical aspirants must keep the documents ready for applying MBBS admission in India. We have complied the list of all necessary documents below. MBBS aspirants must hold a valid mark sheets of class 10th and 12. NEET scorecard is also an essential document for apply MBBS admission. Medical candidate should also possess a valid school transfer certificate, code of conduct certificate, medical certificate, no criminal record certificate, and health checkup certificate. Students must have a valid passport. Passport size photograph is also required. The students should hold a caste certificate if you are belonging to the ST, SC or OBC. For the proof of financial stability, the student needs to produce parents' bank statement. Advantages of MBBS admission in India. There are numerous benefits of pursuing MBBS course from Indian colleges, universities. Moreover, the benefits will be multiplied for the Indian students. As if they are the locals, so the problem of communication, accommodation would not matter. We have mentioned the common benefits of MBBS right below. MBBS is a demanded course in India and the medical education system of India provide excellent training in updated course curriculum so that the students will become highly qualified medical professionals. MBBS doctors qualified from Indian Medical College are known for their expertise, reputation and professionalism. Indian colleges offer vast clinical exposure in field of medicine. Indian government and the state government is focusing on expanding the number of the medical colleges because of the shortage of medical professional. As of now, India needs at least 1 lakh doctors to provide effective treatment. Medical colleges of India are offer spacious classrooms, excellent infrastructure, laboratories, and surgical theatres for outstanding training facilities. Also, there is a provision of Indian food availability with minimum expenditure of less than 2 lakhs annually including hostel fee and colleges fee in some universities. Besides the private college, affiliated government colleges and institute are well equipped. Students are not required to appear in exams like IELTS or TOEFL. There is an excellent opportunity of pursuing post-graduation and specialization courses. The degree MBBS is worldwide accepted. In India, the students get the opportunity to learn about some rare diseases that doesn't exist in other countries. Intake. MBBS admission. In India, MBBS course starts by the middle of the August or first week of the September or October, if everything goes smoothly. However, The MBBS application starts from the month of June or July every year. Entrance exams for MBBS in India. First and the most popular exam for studying medicine in India is NEET. NEET stands for National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. AIIMS Entrance Test, All India Institute of Medical Science, conducted by various AIIMS located across India. JIMPER Entrance Test, Jawaharlal Institute of PG Medical Education and Research. Number of states government bodies also conduct entrance for various medical courses.